Hi everyone, it's Rene with whyamigreen.com, and today I am going to show you my new 2021 garden. I just finished putting all the plants out today. It's a very small one this year because I am not spending as much time in the garden. I'm actually building a boat and spending most of my time there. And if you'd like to see my boat build, go to my Dream Boat Project. That's the name of the YouTube channel where I'm putting together or building another boat. So without further ado, let me show you what I've got done here. Here we are out on my deck, and you're going to see my army for working on the garden. It might have a gnome army. These folks are here, all these gnomes are here to help me to take care of my garden, water it, fertilize it, so they're doing all kinds of work on there already. And this is what I have. As you can see, they're all 5-gallon grow bags, and I have them in small little trays that I use for a water reservoir because I have the grow bags getting their water wicked up from the bottom. I actually made a wicking formula with my soil, and for those of you that are interested, I mix my soil in 5-gallon buckets. So let's see, I would mix 2 5-gallon buckets of peat moss, 1 5-gallon bucket of manure, 1/4 of a bucket of perlite, and then like a handful of Epsom salt. I've got some blood meal in there, and what else? Lime, about a handful of garden lime, all mixed up nice, and that happens to wick the water just right. The plants and the soil will take up whatever they need and leave the rest down there. And it just finished raining, so I got a little bit more water in there. So starting over here, I have jalapeno peppers, and jalapeno peppers, there's 6 of them there. In the corner, those are bell peppers, and I have 3 string beans there, and those are going to climb right up on here on the fence there, or a wall, whatever you want to call that thing, scaffolding. Then I have 2 more bell peppers, some big boy tomatoes. And if you saw in a video I did earlier where I took a cherry tomato, or it's like it was like a organic, some kind of a fancy tomato that Luca really like. I cut it up in slices, and I planted the slices, and we got little plants, and that's one of them right there. In fact, I've got another one right here, and the rest of them are downstairs. I have some plants downstairs. Then over there, those 2 big guys are ghost peppers, another big boy tomato, and over here, I can't remember what this thing is called. It's a sweet pepper, but Luca liked the looks of these, so let's see. This is Cunabel sweet pepper. I've got like 6 of those all together, so that's, oops, I'll take care of that later. And up here, I have my Citronella. It's some little flowers, one of them broke there. I'm going to see if I can move this over and show you downstairs what we have. Right down there, I've got 3 big boys, and let's see, 1, 2, 3 on the sides, 4 of those Cunabel peppers, and 2 more on the right side, right corners, 2 more of those small peppers of Verlucas, and some marigolds. So we have those down there. Soil is mixed up real nice, and those are going to get big, I hope. Last year they were about 7 feet tall, and that's pretty much what we have here. Like I said, it's not an awful lot, but we're going to be spending time doing other things this summer and getting away from the garden, but there should be enough tomatoes and everything else to keep me busy. So with that, let me know what you got in your garden. Let me know what you think of this. Love to see your comments below. Give us a thumbs up. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.